In this last video of this project, we are writing our functions. So for that, first of all, we need to add here uh, like list data and set data. We also do this previously in our to-do list application. So it is empty array and then const amount and set amount. It is empty, and for const title and set title, which is also empty, and const transaction type and set transaction type. Its initial state is expense. You can also choose income. So here add this value, like value is amount, which is we define in step, and then functions end to end, where set amount is event dot target dot value. So copy these two and paste here, like title and set title, and then also inside select value is equal to transaction type, and on change set transaction type, then e dot target dot value. So it is referred to this value, whichever we input in our here title and expense income. So we need to add button here. Let's select, we need to add button. Give some class like it black, text white, and margin bottom 2, padding 2, and also give rounded LG and hover a 700, and give some margin top of 4. So yeah, so now it is looking good. So inside is the handle over quant something button when user add this no button. So we here pass our event, and then we want to add prevent default. So it is not reloading our page when we write our event default. We event dot prevent default. Here in our object like const info, instead of it, we pass our ID like data dot length, our array, and you can amount, the amount, and title should be title, and also transaction type should be transaction type. You can check if amount or like if user not input amount or title, then give alert message and write amount and title are required for transactions and return. We simply return if transaction type is equal to income, then call our income functions. So each income functions do we also, this is the income function we pass inside the props and inside in number amount which is amount, and this amount is fetched from here, and also else on expense is the number and amount. Amount convert into number. So after doing this, we want to set data, then previous data, spread our previous data, and do our add our new object which is info, and then set amount should be reset and set title item, and then it is set. Okay, here need to set and then that. So and set title and also change here also set title, and then set transaction type should be expense, and our menu become false, so it is hide our menu, and let's say console our data, and when we click add button, then click and give handle submit and check. So console like a transaction set amount should be title salary without. Now it is not working, so let's say another give salary. Now it is shows, but it is shows our previous data. So first of all, let's correct it. Before that, we are also give uh, like it's correct, and perform check our uh, data dot length it's greater than 0, and then we want to data dot map and pass something like dt as a data, and we become you add inside div tag, you add another div tag, and this div tag uh, we show our title like dt dot title and also copy paste dt dot amount. So let's give some type like flags and insert this. Give some custom it like pixels and justify between and text row and text white and gives gap of 4 and margin bottom 2. So gives heading and font bold and give rounded border. And we are giving backticks here because we want to write JavaScript inside this. So here like dollar sign and write pt dot transaction type. We check the transaction type of it, and if it is expense, then give it is 500. Otherwise, it is income. Then give it is green like 700 or 800. Give 700 first. And now check load our app at transaction set amount salary and give into expense. So balance is not working. Gear gives amount 120. Title is like food and set as a expense. So it is working, but balance is not showing properly. So I found one mistake here. We want to initial state become add here 0. So now let's check add amount 10,000 salary set income. Yes, now it is working properly. Add another transaction amount like and then food expense. So now it is working properly. Add another fees inside expense. So now it is working properly. So here all about for day 3 project. We will meet in another project. So if you stuck at any point, then you can always refer my code. I attached the code zip file, and also you can, if you have some doubt, then you can always comment it out. So as soon as possible, I will try to my best to give a response to you.